Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa, while reacting on Congress senior leaders declining the invitation to Ram Temple consecration, stated that the party did not deserve the invitation at the first place due to the abuse against Ram Mandir from the very beginning. Slamming the Congress party, CM Sharma called them as anti-Hindu and further added, by accepting this invitation, they could have symbolically offered an apology to the Hindu Samaj. However, like P.T. Nehru did with the Somnath temple, the Congress leadership did the same with the Ram temple. History will continue to judge them as anti-Hindu party. A day earlier, Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi and Party President Mallikarjun Kharge announced that they will not be attending the Ram Mandir consecration ceremony scheduled on January 22. This decision was made public by the Congress party, which labelled the event as predominantly an RSS-BJP affair. The party's stance was articulated through a statement issued by Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh, emphasizing their respect for the Supreme Court 2019 judgment and the religious sentiments of millions who worship Lord Ram, while also highlighting the political undertones they perceive in the event's timing.